students, welcome to Mana teacher class. Today we are discussing about trigonometry 11.1 solutions. So this first problem, in right angle triangle ABC 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A and tan A. Solution. So now given that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, Now, so this is the right angled triangle. A, B, C. At B 90 degrees. Now, AB equals to 8 centimeter. AB equal to 8 centimeter. BC equals to 15 centimeter. This 15 centimeter. AC equal to 17 centimeter. So here angle A means which is opposite of A is opposite side. Then which is adjacent, this is adjacent side of A, adjacent side of angle A. So AC is hypotenuse. Now sin A equal to opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. Now sin A equals to opposite side 15 centimeter by hypotenuse 17 centimeter. So this is 17 centimeter. Sin A equal to 15 by 17 centimeter. Now cos A equals to opposite, here cos A equal to adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Now cos A equals to adjacent 8 centimeter by hypotenuse 17 centimeter. So 8 by 17 is cos A. Next, tan A equals to opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Tan A equals to opposite side 15 centimeter by 8 centimeter. So this is tan A. Therefore sin A equals to 15 by 17, cos A equals to 8 by 17 and tan A equals to 15 by 8. So this is the solution. Now second question. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ equal to 7 centimeter, PR equal to 25 centimeter, and angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Then find tan P minus tan R. Now here solution. First to draw the right angle triangle. Here P, Q and R. This is 90 degrees. Now given that PQ equal to 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. Now PR equal to 25 centimeter. PR equal 25 centimeter. This angle P is opposite of angle P. So this is not given. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, here height square equals to hypo square minus base square. Yes, height square equals to hypo square means 25 whole square minus base 7 whole square. So that equal to 25 square means 625. 25 the 625 minus 7 the 49. This height equals to under root of square. Next height equal to under root of 625 minus 49. This is equal to, this will be 15, 11, this 5 means 5, 70, here 6, 70 means 576, 576. Now height equal to the square root of 576 is 24 centimeter. Now opposite of P is 24 centimeter. Now here tan P equals to opposite side of angle P by adjacent side of angle P. So tan P equals to, see, opposite of P is 24, adjacent of P is 7. So tan P equal to 24 by 7. Next tan R equals to, just observe here, so this is angle R. So the opposite side of angle R is PQ. Yes, opposite side of angle R by adjacent side of angle R. So tan R equals to opposite 7 centimeter by adjacent 24 centimeter. Okay. Next, then tan P minus tan R. Tan P 24/7 minus tan R 7/24. By cross multiplication, see this like 24 into 24 minus 7 into 7 by 7 into 24. 7 into 24. So 24 the here. 24 the 576. 576 minus 7 the 49 by 24 the 24 into 7, see 7 the 28, 2 7 the 14 plus 2 16, 168. So next that equal to 168. 576 minus 49. So here this will be 16, 6 means yes, here 7 2 5 527. So therefore tan P minus tan R equals to 527 by 168. So this is the solution. Now third solution. In triangle, a right angle triangle ABC, which right angle at B, in which A equal to 24 units, B equal to 25 units, and angle BAC equals to theta. Now find cos theta and tan theta. Now draw the diagram. Now first draw the diagram. This right angle triangle A B C. Yes. Now here given angle BAC equals to theta given from the problem. Now see AB, here A equal to 24. A means which is opposite of angle A is 24. A equal to 24 units. Next B equals to 25 units. A equal to 24, B equal to 25 units. Now here given A means BC given, BC equals to 24 units and AC equals to 25 units and AB equals to not given. First we have to find out the AB. So according to Pythagoras theorem, here base square is equals to hypotenuse square minus height square. So that equal to base equal to here hypo square means 25 whole square minus height square means 24 whole square. Now that equal to 625 the minus 576 this base. Now base equals to See, under root of 625 minus 576, that is equal to 49. So, base equal to root 49 value 7 units. Yes, this is 7 units. Now, cos theta equals to, here cos theta equals to adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, means 7 by 25. So, this is cos theta. Next, tan theta equals to opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. So, that equal to, in this one, which is the opposite side of angle here? This is opposite, 24 units by adjacent is 7 units. So, this is tan theta. Can you write sin theta also from this figure? Here sin theta also can you write from this? Sin theta equals to, see, sin means opposite by hypotenuse, right? Opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. So, sin theta equals to 24 by 25. Actually, sin theta not given in the problem, cos theta and tan theta only given, but again you can find out sin theta also from the given figure. So, therefore, cos theta equals to 7 by 25 and tan theta equals to 24 by 7. So, this is the problem. Okay. Now, fourth solution. Here, if cos A equals to 12 by 13 given cos A equals to 12 by 13. First, draw the diagram from this. Right angle, this is A, this is B, this is C. Here right angle A less than 90 degrees. This angle should be less than 90. 90 means this is acute angle. A is an acute angle. Now, cos, what is the cos ratio? Here cos A equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, adjacent, what is the adjacent in this one? AB, 12, hypotenuse 13, 12 and 13 given. Now, what is BC? We have to find out BC first. Here from Pythagoras theorem, here BC equals to under root of hypo square AC square minus AB square. Next, here under root of AC square means 13 whole square minus 12 whole square. Next, that equals to under root of 13 square, 13 the 169 minus 12 the 144. Now BC equals to under root of here 169 144 5 2 25 here BC equals to 25. So BC equals to square root of 25. What is the value of 25? Root 25, that is nothing but 5. So BC equal to 5. Here you got 5 centimeter, 5 unit. Now from the question sin, now sin A equals to sin A, here opposite BC by hypotenuse, BC by AC. So that equal to BC means 5, AC means 13. So sin A equals to 5 by 13. Next, another tan A equals to opposite BC by adjacent AB, means BC by AB. Tan A equals to BC means 5. Next AB 12. Yes, tan A equals to 5 by 12. Therefore sin A equals to 5 by 13 and tan A equals to 5 by 12. Yes, this is the solution. Now other solution, question number 5. If 3 tan A equal to 4, then find sin A and cos A. So very simple, from solution, from problem, three tan A equals to 4 given. Now tan A equals to 4, this will be denominator. So tan A equal to 4 by 3. From figure, from the right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, this is C. Here opposite adjacent, this hypotenuse. Okay, in this chapter total. Now tan A equals to, opposite side by adjacent side, that is given in the problem. See, this is 4, this is 3 given. Here that is nothing but 4 by 3. AC not given. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So I have to keep brackets also, no problem. Now AC under root of AB square means this 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. Here AC equals to under root of 3 whole square 9 plus 4 whole square 4 4 the 16. Yes, that equals to root 25. So AC equals to 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Now hypotenuse is 5. Opposite is 4. Adjacent is 3. Now, so what is asked in the problem? Find sin A and cos A. So sin A equals to opposite means BC by hypotenuse AC. So that equals to BC means 4, hypotenuse means 5. Next cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse AB by AC. So cos A equals to AB 3 AC 5. Here therefore sin A equals to 4 by 5 and cos A equals to 3 by 5. So this is the solution. Okay.